DIY download, easy to clean bathroom. Brought to you by DAP Kwik Seal Ultra. When it comes to bathrooms, the less time you spend cleaning, the better. You can do simple things like sealing tile and grout. Use a darkly tinted grout sealer to cover stains. In high moisture areas, replace old sealant with one that resists mold, mildew, and stains. Slowly drag the tip of the caulk along the edges of vanities, showers, and tubs. Keep even pressure and hold the caulking gun at a 45-degree angle to avoid buildups. You can get a tub or toilet with an antimicrobial coating that inhibits mold and mildew. Changing fixtures can also make cleanup easier. A pull-out sink faucet reaches every spot. You can get similar results with a hand shower. With specially engineered products, your bathroom will practically clean itself. This DIY download is presented by DAP Kwik Seal Ultra Premium Siliconized Sealant. Download more great info at DIYnetwork.com.